Alright, my heated grips have arrived from Great Britain. These are the Oxford heated grips. Look at that. It's in Polish too. Maybe that means new. Nova. Oddly enough, it's like Polish and in German there, which the German is okay, yeah. No problem. I'm gonna put those things on there right now. Now I've opened up the box here, and there's the 3 types of grips on there. The adventure grips, the touring grips, and the sports grip. And I have the sports grip. And as far as I can tell from the picture, they appear to be the same size except maybe a different pattern. Who knows, maybe it's a different type of rubber on there. I don't know for sure. But anyways, I have the sports grips. Those ones right there. And I set them over here. And I'm going to have to stop making the video because I don't want pieces to fall out before I'm even know what they're supposed to do and go. I have to take the battery the seat off so I can get to the battery and all kinds of stuff I have to work out. Okay, let me do a little preliminary work. Here you can see I've taken the bar ends off inside there. And here are the bar ends here. Now that's not good. Okay, the bolt came out of that bar end. But anyways, there's the bar end there. And there are the 2 bar ends. That's the left and that's the right. So now it's back to over here to get started. Okay, so I've got my tools all laid out. I've taken the seat off. I'm wearing gloves because it's cold. I'm gonna have to take them off so I get a better feel anyways. But I taken the seat off so I can have access to the battery terminals. I'm gonna run the cable. Well, I normally run the cables up through here, like to these 2 cables here. These go to my navigation, charge my navigation, and charge my mobile phone with my RAM mount here. But maybe I'll just switch it up and go up this right side, you know, just for something different. Don't exactly know where I'm gonna mount that thing at yet. Anyways, the little controller. I wanna have it someplace out of the way, not all obvious, sticking all out right here or something like that. But I've got everything laid out. You got the left grip over here, which is actually a smaller diameter than the right grip. And it actually says so here, right there. See? The left grip is 22 millimeters, and then the right grip right there, it says the diameter is 25.6 millimeters. You can clearly see it right there. So that's that. So I'm gonna have to cut these damn things off. I'm not gonna be sitting there trying to pry it off or heat it up with a blow dryer. I'm just gonna cut them off. I'm gonna cut them off, clean them all up real good, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I'm gonna cut these grips off. Work it up in there real good. Slice is pretty good, just like a hot knife through butter. Huh. Yeah, I scratched the metal up a little bit right there, but I'm more than prepared for that. And there's the grip. And then I have the new grip over here. This one goes on to the Left side. It feels kind of tight. Beautiful. That's definitely tight. Maybe that diameter is not right. Fits good on that side though. That's, well, maybe it's supposed to be a tight ass fit. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's definitely on there good. Oh man, it feels nice too. Man, that's nice. Okay. Of course, I don't want to put it on there first without the stuff. I wonder if I should treat it with the... nah. I don't need to be preaching. Okay, now, here's the old one and the new one. Now I can tell that new one is about 1 millimeter or 2 longer. And this is why on the end here, let's see. On the end here, let me focus here. Here's why on the end here, they have this little lip here. So that way you can cut that off. But I'm gonna wait until I mount it first and see if it really needs to be cut. Okay, that's good. Okay, bad focus. Okay. So it definitely fits on there. Instructions say to hang that cable down. So once I get it on, I'm just gonna run it up and run along the clutch cable here, down in there, wherever I can fit it. I don't know yet. But that's one off. And the other one is over here. I might as well move the camera while I'm doing it. The other one is there. Okay. Get that other side just there. I'll do everything with the right hand if I can. Yeah, I have my X-Acto knife. That one's got a little bit of chunk in there. Trying not to cut so deep like that last one. Wow, I didn't cut deep enough now. Too cautious there. Now I cut deep enough. Oh, it's got a piece of plasticky stuff on there. Oh, I guess that's the... Oh. And then put that knife down. I can rip that off. Whoa. You motherfucker. Oh yeah. Just that one piece hanging on there, just... Boy, that is a tough piece right there. Oh, it's wrapped up on there good too. Oh yeah, I got it. Whoa. Whatever glue they stuck that on with, I need some of that. Well, now that's why this piece is larger. It's got this plastic piece. This is definitely for the, I guess, to make sure the grip doesn't slide on your clutch. I mean on your gas, on your throttle. And this one has a larger diameter. This one is 3 millimeters larger than that left side. Oh, you know what? Now that I look at that, how's it gonna go on over that plastic right there? You know what's gonna have to happen? I'm gonna have to take that plastic and trim that all off. Oh, this is like gonna be a custom job on here. Because with that plastic on the end there, it won't go on. Little piece of sandpaper here. Yeah. Alright, now I'm back with the mask on. This shit right here, trying to get it off, you know, and get these grooves all off. It's like a pain in the ass. Just much better just to use the tool on there. I'm for sure you're not supposed to do it, but I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna do it like I want. It's fucking fast. Oh, because it's fucking fast. And I know you're wondering, do I have eye protection as well? Yes! But I'm just too lazy to get that out as well. Let's try that out. Alright. So much plastic dust. Gonna have to be cleaned really nice. Look. Oh yeah. I think the last few, but then I got this lip on there. That's not gonna be nice. I have to cut that lip off because I'm for sure for sure with that lip on there it won't go on there. No, with that lip it won't go all the way. And I'm gonna have to cut the end off as well. So this plastic tube was just a pain in the ass. Alright, I'll have to get to work. You can imagine what's gonna happen. It's gonna be more sanding and chipping away at this piece here to get it flat as this. So shit. Okay, I've succeeded in getting that giant ass lip off. Of course, in its raw state, it doesn't look so nice. I'm gonna clean it all off with some cleaner, and I've tested it out, and I've got the new grip up to this. It's, you know, the real thing would be if I did all this and those damn things didn't work. But I think I'm gonna run a test on them right now anyway. So if they don't work for some reason, I'll send them back and order up new ones anyways. Okay. And I've got it up to there like that with very little pressure. I'm going to put something on the end there like a piece of wood and bam, bam, hit it with the hammer. And that should push it up. But before I do that, I'm going to put the super glue that comes with the pack. I'll put that super glue all inside there. I'll put it all to see somewhat what I'm doing. Alright. Okay. Pop back out. Okay, I've got the ring in there. I've got other accessories hooked up to this battery as well. Okay. So I'll just run that over to the side. And that's the positive done. There we go. Then I have the negative side. Here's the negative. Let's see, I'll put that on there. I don't see anything light up on the controller there, so. Okay, I've done my preliminary test here. I've got all the cables sticking out here and the grips are just here. Still didn't clean this one off yet, but I've actually tested it out, and it took a couple minutes and they heated up just fine. And here's the controller, not in place or anything, but you can see it right there. Goes up to 100, version 8. And then turn it off, goes all the way down. And just in case somebody comes in your motorcycle and says, I'm going to turn it all the way up to 100 and then have his battery die. It'll start flashing on that battery saving mode. And after 3 minutes, I think it'll turn off if the motorcycle isn't moving. It's either 3 or 6 minutes. So, no problems there. So they would have to stand there the whole day to keep messing with it. Or if I wanted, I can build a switch up under the seat to, first flip that on, and then this would have no effect. But it's pointless. So both grips work. It's good out of the packaging. So I just have to clean this grip off and get it like I want. I had to switch up cameras because my Nikon, it was dead. I should have charged it up, but I didn't. Okay. So I'm gonna leave these cables like they are. Fuse, I looked in there. It's good, of course, because it's on. I'm gonna turn that off. Feel that grip. You can feel it. It's warm. I mean, it's like pulling a nice piece of hot bread out of the oven. And okay, so I'm gonna clean it all off, wire it all up somehow, and then I turned the engine on because I didn't want to run the battery down and go into battery save mode. I wanted to test it out like under normal conditions. Oh, they're hot. I'm gonna check the temperature. I'm gonna check how long it takes to get the full temperature. I don't really have a battery temperature gauge or infrared thing, so I just have to do the old-fashioned way. Six minutes, they're almost hot to the touch. It takes for the display to keep it well. Turn it off and see how long it takes to go into safe mode. Ooh, I should have used my stopwatch on that. Packet for Parker? Parker? Oh, yeah. I'm prepared to test it out fully. Because I have my it turned itself off. Wait till I turn my back. Alright, because I was running that test and testing out those heated grips which performed perfectly, I might add. I'm gonna charge my motorcycle battery up. Some people leave their battery charged in the whole 4 or 5 months or however long they're out, the season is, but not me. I have my Black & Decker 12 volt, 6 volt charger, 6 volt, 12 volt. And I have these ends here. And I just take them on the side of the motorcycle. I have the leads here, and I just plug them in there. Plug them into the motorcycle. That's it. Don't have to lift the seat up. Anything. The Oxford heated grips. Let's see. There you go. They're on there perfect now. And the test was a success. Now the batteries are charging up. I'm gonna stick the motorcycle back on the front stand, but I'm too lazy to do it now. Got my little heater there. My RC car over there. I just take this cloth right there and stick it down in the exhaust pipe there. Oh, right in there. Okay. And that's that. Mobile phone sitting there. So it was a good test. It's all put away. I could have done the entire thing in probably 30 minutes or 40 minutes, but I was busy making videos, and then that right grip gave me a pain in the ass problem. But it's all figured out now. Let's go to the controller and wait, let me. There we go. Go to the controller and on. And now I know it turns off after 6 minutes if the motorcycle isn't used, so your battery doesn't drain all the way down. Gregory Parker out. I'm finished with this.